the last shot in regulation. Tied at 100. Hopefully a sudden victory about to happen. Wade with 6 shots. Drives in. Takes on Gobert. Missed it, but a foul! With 3.2 seconds left. Gobert fouled Dwayne Wade. He will go to the stripe with just over 3 seconds left in a game that's still tied. Dwayne Wade showing courage and confidence to go right at one of the league's elite rim protectors.
He had a long open shot earlier. This time he's able to get to the crossover and just use his athleticism, went right at Rudy Gobert.
Clearly a foul.
When you see the arm outstretched coming down, that's the indicator for the official on the contact. You know, he violated the plane of verticality there, but instead of going straight up and down, and Wade will get 2 free throws.
Wade is 4 of 4 at the stripe. Wade with 14 points, 6 of them here in the fourth quarter. It's a 1-point Heat lead with just over 3 seconds left. Jazz do have a timeout left. Wade's second. It's good.